welcome to my YouTube channel Magic Math by Seta Sir. Friends, today we will learn example 3 of 1.1. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. Both groups march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number? What is the maximum number of columns of in which they can march? Maximum number of columns we can find. Friends, here keyword is maximum number of columns. Keyword is maximum. Here we find HCF of 616 and 32. Here we will find HCF of 616 and 32. Therefore, we can take A is equal to C and 616 and B is equal to 32. By Euclid's algorithm, A is equal to B into Q plus I. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Therefore, A means 616 is equal to B means 32. Now we divide 616 by 32 and get quotient and remainder. 616 divided by 32. 32 ones are 32. 11 minus 2 means 9. 5 minus 3 means 2. 32 nines are 2 nines are 18. 1 carry. 3 nines are 27 plus 1 28. 16 minus 8 8. 8 minus 8 0. 2 minus 2 0. So quotient is 19 and remainder is 8. 19 is quotient plus remainder is 8. Now we take second number and fourth number in next step. 32 is equal to 8. 8 fours are 32. It is very easy and remainder is 0. Friends, therefore HCF of 616 and 32 is equal to last non-zero remainder. What is the last non-zero remainder? Yes, you can say 8. Very good. HCF of 616 and 32 is equal to 8. Therefore, answer is 8. Columns. Friends, take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. Friends, let us see illustration 4. A sweet seller has 420 Kaju burfis and 130 Badam burfis. She wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number and they take up the least area of the tray. Same number of stack and take a least area of the tray. What is the maximum number of burfis that can be placed in each stack for this purpose? Friends, here we find HCF of 420 and 130. Because we put maximum burpees in each step, then we require least area of tray. Therefore, we find HCF of 420 and 130. A is equal to 420 and B is equal to 130. By Euclid's algorithm, A is equal to B into Q plus R. A means 420 is equal to B means 130. We divide this both number and get quotient and remainder. 420 divided by 130. 13 threes are 390. 13 threes are 39. 0, 0. Three is quotient and 30 is remainder. Friends, we take second number and fourth number in next step. 130 is equal to 30. 130 divided by 30. 3 fours are 12. 0 plus 0. Remainder is 10. Quotient is 4. Friends, we take second and fourth number in next step. 30 is equal to 10. 10 threes are 30. Remainder is 0. It is very easy step. Therefore, HCF of 420 and 130 is equal to last non-zero remainder. You can say which is the answer? Yes, very good. 10. 10 is the answer. Friends, take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. Friends, now we see factor trees of some composite numbers. Let us very easy example 4. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Therefore, 4 is equal to 2 into 2. It means 2 square. Let us composite number 6. 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are 3. Therefore, 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Let us composite number 10. 2 fives are 10, 5 ones are 5. Therefore, 10 is equal to 2 into 5. 18. 2 nines are 18, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. Therefore, 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. It means 2 into 3 square. Friends, here 4, 6, 10, 18 all are composite numbers. We take it prime factorization by factor tree. These all composite numbers can be written as prime factorization by unique way. Friends, let us see theorem 1.2, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. This is called fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Let us see example exercise 1.2, example 1. Express each number as a product of its prime factorization. Its prime factor. First one is 140. 140 is even number. Therefore, we take 2 as a factor. 2 sevens are 14 and 0. 2 35s are 70. 5 sevens are 35 and 7 ones are 7. Therefore, 140 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 is equal to 2 into 2 means square of 2 into 5 into 7. This is the answer. Friends, take a screenshot. Now we see second example. Second one is 156. 156 is even number. Therefore, we divide by 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 threes are 6. 2 nines are 18. 3 13s are 39. 13 ones are 30. Therefore, 156 is equal to 2 times means square of 2 into 3 into 30. This is the answer. Now we see third example, 3825. This is not even number. This is a odd number. The key of 3 is sum of this number is divided by 3, then this number is divided by 3. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 sevens are 21, 3 fives are 15. 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 3. 3 fours are 12, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 3. Here, unit digit is 5. Therefore, this number is divisible by 5. 5 eights are 40. 5 fives are 25. 5 17s are 85. 17 ones are 17. Therefore, 3825 is equal to 3 2 times means square of 3, 5 2 times means 5 square of 5 into 17 is the answer. Friends, take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. Now we see example number 4, 5005. 5 ones are 5, 0, 0, 5 ones are 5. Now we take factor as 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 7 threes are 21. Now we take factor as 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33, 13 ones are 30. Therefore, 5005 is equal to 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Friends, take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. Friends, let us see example 5, 7429. 7429 is an odd number, therefore it is not divisible by 2. 9 plus 2, 11 plus 4, 15 plus 7, 22. 22 is not divisible by 3, therefore this number is not divisible by 3. Friends, this number is divisible by 17. 17 fours are 68. 74 minus 68 is 6. 17 threes are 51. 62 minus 51 is 11. 17 sevens are 119. Here 437. It is divisible by 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 23 ones are 23. Therefore, 7429 is equal to 17 into 19 into 23. This is the answer. Friends, take a screenshot and write down in your notebook.